Hi everybody. Hey, I wasn't able to get knives done for a Christmas lottery this year. We were just too busy with everything going on, redoing the entire company. But what I did was I got some super customs done for an online auction. And I think you're gonna like what we've got because I really kind of pulled out the stops. If I couldn't do the lottery, I was gonna do a good auction. So here we go. First knife I've got up is a Damascus Mach 1. Beautiful Damascus, beautiful knife. And there's going to be pictures of all these posted up so you guys will be able to see them in higher detail. A full dress waved CQC-5, beautiful little piece. A regular, I did get one regular knife done, regular, non-waved CQC6. It's going to go up on the auction site since I only had this one available. Not enough to do a lottery for one knife. I also have a CQC6 that is checkered with the green micarta handles on it. No wave. For all you 6 lovers. And here's a special one. Who can guess what this knife is? Well, you don't have to guess, I'll tell you. I pulled this one out of the safe, and it's been in there for quite a while. Now, take a look at this. Kind of a strange looking blade on it. Whoa, it's not ground on this side, like most of my 6s. It's ground on the other side. This is one of the original Japanese 6s that I took to Japan. The serial number is 014 and the date on there is 1999. This one's been in the safe all that time. This is an original, made at that time, put in the safe at that time. 22, 23 years old, Japanese CQC6, because we couldn't do the Tanto points when we went to Japan at that time. It was against the law. This is one of those ultra rare knives. I'm going to put it up for auction. Not too many people have one of these, I guarantee you that. I think I only let out 5 or 6 of them in total to the general public, and this is one of the few remaining ones that exist. I've got a CQC7 with carbon fiber handles. Beautiful knife for anyone who likes the CQC7s in a full dress configuration. Oh, what's this? Well, this is a full dress stealth. Another rare beauty. I don't know if I'm ever going to make any more of these. This was not an easy knife to make. And it took 2 great big pieces of pearl, which are just almost impossible to find these days. But it turned out real nice. Full dress stealth. And that about wraps it up for what I've got for the auction. What? Oh. What's in the red towel? Well, I better take a look. Well, look at here. This is a hammer forged CQC6. I've got 3 of them. This one is the one with the brass handles on it. It's probably the most beautiful CQC6 I ever made. I absolutely love it. Now it's got metal handles made out of brass, titanium Mokuti bolsters, hammer forged CQC6 blade. So it's a heavy knife. When you pick this up, it's like picking up one of those Rolex watches. They've got a heft to them. This is a one-of-a-kind knife, literally one of a kind. Now I've got 3. You'll see those later in the next year or two that I'll put up from time to time. I've got a copper one and I've got a bronze one. This is the brass one. And as you can see, it's fully done. And it is a stunner. So this, I would consider, between this and maybe that Japanese 6, are the standouts in this auction, although the Stealth is pretty damn nice too. But this is the lineup for this year's Christmas auction. It's not happening today, but we'll put this video up now to give you just an idea of what I've got in these knives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all that's going to be up for auction this year. So if you go over to the Emerson website, when we get it posted, it would be the emersonauctions.com, I believe, or Emerson Auctions. We'll set out a post on all the forums and everything, and there'll be an email that goes out to everybody that's on our email list and everything to let you know. It's going to start on Thursday. Gosh, what's the date on Thursday? Danny, do you know the date on Thursday by chance?
It's the 16th.
I believe it's the 16th, then December 16th. Might be wrong, but it's going to start on the Thursday and it's going to run over the weekend to the following Thursday, and then that'll be the day that the auction ends. So this is a very, very special lot. Try and get over there, put your bid in for whatever one suits your fancy, and I think I got a pretty good lineup that'll satisfy just about anyone's tastes. I hope you get them for Christmas. Have a Merry Christmas. Thank you all very much. Sorry I couldn't do the lottery this year, but we were way too busy. We're busier than we've ever been in the history of this company. Thank you all for that. I'm not complaining, but I didn't have time to get the lottery done, but I did get these super customs done for the auction. So I hope you enjoy them. We'll see you at the auction. Merry Christmas.